Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best finance YouTube channels in 2025. In today's digital age, YouTube is a powerful tool for transforming your financial knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these channels offer invaluable insights to enhance your understanding of personal finance. Financial literacy is more crucial than ever, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and secure their financial future. As we embark on this journey, we'll introduce you to top channels shaping the landscape of financial education. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, these creators provide content that is both engaging and educational. Sit back and get ready to explore a world where financial wisdom is just a click away. By the end of this video, you'll have a curated list of channels that can guide you on your path to financial literacy. Let's dive in and discover how these platforms can revolutionize the way you manage your finances. First up, we have Financial Education, a standout channel dedicated to making financial literacy accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. With an impressive 823,000 subscribers, this channel has become a beacon for those eager to understand the complexities of personal finance. The creator's own journey from financial novice to savvy educator serves as an inspiring success story, proving that anyone can master their finances. Each video is crafted to break down intricate concepts into digestible lessons, ensuring that viewers can easily apply what they learn to their own financial situations. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your knowledge, Financial Education provides the tools and insights needed to achieve financial freedom. With its focus on empowerment through education, this channel is a must-watch for anyone committed to enhancing their financial literacy. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, make sure to subscribe and join a community that values knowledge and growth. Next up is Yahoo Finance, a powerhouse in the realm of financial news. With an impressive subscriber count of 1.32 million, this channel stands out for its comprehensive coverage of market trends and economic insights. Yahoo Finance aggregates the latest updates from a myriad of sources, ensuring that you're always informed about the shifts in the financial world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the market, Yahoo Finance offers valuable perspectives that cater to all levels of financial literacy. Their content not only keeps you updated with the latest happenings, but also helps you understand the implications of these changes on your personal finance journey. So if staying informed with accurate and timely financial news is your goal, Yahoo Finance is the channel to follow. In the realm of financial literacy, the Financial Diet stands out by blending education with entertainment. With a subscriber base of 1.21 million, this channel is a beacon for beginners and aspiring entrepreneurs alike. Here, finance isn't just about numbers. It's a conversation that is engaging and accessible. The hosts tackle topics ranging from budgeting basics to entrepreneurial insights, all while maintaining a lighthearted and approachable tone. It's the perfect platform for those new to the world of finance, offering a fun twist on traditional financial education. Whether you're looking to understand the fundamentals or ready to embark on your own business journey, the Financial Diet provides the tools and motivation to get started. By making complex concepts digestible and enjoyable, this channel ensures that financial literacy is within reach for everyone. So, if you're eager to transform your financial understanding while having a bit of fun, the Financial Diet is the perfect place to begin. Whiteboard Finance stands out as a beacon for those seeking practical financial advice rooted in real-world experiences. With a robust subscriber base of 1 million, this channel delves into the essentials of personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. The creator shares insights drawn from personal journeys, offering viewers a relatable and authentic perspective on managing finances. Whether you're looking to refine your investment strategies or embark on an entrepreneurial venture, Whiteboard Finance equips you with actionable insights that can be applied to everyday financial decisions. This channel is not just about theory. It's about real, tangible advice that empowers viewers to take control of their financial futures. By focusing on the creator's own experiences, Whiteboard Finance provides a unique blend of education and inspiration. making it a must-follow for anyone eager to enhance their financial literacy. Financial Times stands out as a beacon of clarity in the often tumultuous world of finance. With a subscriber base of 1.17 million, this channel offers an essential resource for entrepreneurs and business-minded individuals. Known for its unbiased reporting, Financial Times delivers comprehensive news coverage and expert analysis that cuts through the noise. Whether you're navigating the complexities of global markets or simply trying to stay informed, this channel equips you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. It's not just about keeping up with the headlines. It's about understanding the forces that shape the financial landscape. By focusing on delivering factual and insightful content, Financial Times ensures that its viewers are always one step ahead. For anyone serious about entrepreneurship or financial growth, subscribing to Financial Times is a strategic move. Let's explore Mapped Out Money, a channel dedicated to making personal finance education accessible to everyone. With a subscriber count of 64.8K, Mapped Out Money focuses on simplifying budgeting and investment strategies, making these crucial financial concepts easy to grasp for all viewers. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your strategies, this channel offers practical advice tailored for everyday situations. Mapped Out Money breaks down complex ideas into manageable steps, empowering you to take control of your financial future with confidence. The channel's approach ensures that no matter your current level of financial literacy, you'll find valuable insights and tools to enhance your understanding and skills. By following Mapped Out Money, you're not just learning about finance, you're gaining a partner in your journey towards financial independence. Next on our list is Your Money, Your Wealth, a channel that truly brings personal finance to life through interactive and engaging discussions. With a subscriber base of 32,000, this platform stands out by offering a mix of live webinars and podcasts that delve into a variety of financial topics. Whether you're looking to understand the nuances of budgeting, investing, or retirement planning, Your Money, Your Wealth provides a dynamic environment where learning is not just informative, but also enjoyable. The channel's approach encourages viewers to actively engage with their financial journey, making complex concepts accessible and relatable. By tuning in, you can participate in real-time discussions and gain insights from experts who break down financial strategies in a way that resonates with everyday experiences. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future with a community that values interaction and practical advice, Your Money, Your Wealth is a must-follow. Next on our list is Jack Corsellis, a channel that truly stands out for its engaging insights into the world of investing. With a subscriber count of 35.6 thousand, Jack has carved a niche for himself by demystifying investment practices and making them accessible to everyone. His unique style keeps viewers hooked as he breaks down complex financial concepts into digestible nuggets of wisdom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the financial markets, Jack Corsellis offers valuable strategies and tips that can enhance your investment journey. His approach is both informative and entertaining, making learning about investments not just educational, but enjoyable. So, if you're looking to sharpen your investment acumen with content that's both insightful and easy to follow, Jack Corsellis is the channel to watch. Next on our list is Martin Zenman, a channel that breaks down the complexities of the financial market into digestible insights. With a subscriber count of 10.2 thousand, Martin Zenman is your go-to source for actionable trade ideas and in-depth market analysis. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Martin's approach makes it easy to grasp even the most intricate financial topics. His content is designed to empower viewers with the knowledge needed to navigate the market confidently. By simplifying complex concepts, Martin Zenman ensures that financial literacy is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. If you're looking to enhance your understanding of market trends and investment strategies, Martin Zenman's channel is a must-watch. His ability to translate financial jargon into everyday language makes it a valuable resource for anyone eager to improve their financial acumen. Next up, we have Dash Devs, a channel that's making waves in the fintech education space. With a focus on digital finance, Dash Devs offers a series of informative webinars that delve into the intricacies of financial technology. Whether you're curious about the latest fintech trends or looking to deepen your understanding of digital finance, Dash Devs has you covered. Despite having a smaller subscriber base of 261, the channel is packed with valuable content that simplifies complex topics, making it accessible for viewers at any level. By tuning into Dash Devs, you'll gain insights into the rapidly evolving world of fintech, equipping yourself with the knowledge needed to navigate this dynamic field. So if you're eager to explore the digital finance landscape, Dash Devs is a must-watch. Stay ahead of the curve and enhance your financial literacy with their expert-led sessions. As we conclude our journey through the top personal finance YouTube channels of 2025, let's reflect on the invaluable resources we've explored. These channels, from financial education to Dash Devs, provide a wealth of knowledge tailored to your financial growth. Each offers unique insights, whether you're seeking to deepen your understanding of budgeting, investing, or the latest fintech trends. Embrace the opportunity to learn from these experts and let them guide you toward financial empowerment. By subscribing, you open doors to a world of financial literacy that can transform your life. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these channels cater to all levels, ensuring that everyone can benefit from their expertise. So take the next step in your financial journey. Explore these channels, engage with their content, and watch as your financial confidence grows. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your continued success in mastering the world of personal finance. Subscribe today and start your journey to financial empowerment.